Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we have something special lined up for small business owners. We will be discussing the top 3 VoIP solutions that are perfect for small businesses. So, what is VoIP? Voice over Internet Protocol is a type of phone system that uses an internet connection to make and receive calls rather than traditional landlines. Most people consider VoIP the alternative to local telephone company. If you have an internet connection, you can call anyone without the need for traditional local phone service or physical copper wires. All you need is high-speed internet connection and a VoIP service provider to handle the calls. The best part is that you aren't bound to a specific desk. You can use a VoIP phone number via business phone app to turn your computer or any other mobile device into a phone. A trusted VoIP provider can handle everything for you. Plug your IP phone in and you are done. These digital phones use your high-speed internet connection to establish connectivity. VoIP converts your phone calls into data that is sent over internet. You can use your Ethernet cables or skip them if you have a strong Wi-Fi signal. It does so much at a lower cost than older telephone systems. Voice over IP has many advantages over traditional phone service. So, how does VoIP work? Your phone connects to your switch or router in your local area network. When you dial a telephone number, your IP phone tells your voice VoIP service provider to call the other party. Your VoIP service establishes the call and exchanges data packets from your IP phone. Your VoIP phone converts these signals back into the sound you can hear. Let's talk about advantages of VoIP. So having VoIP can lower your cost. Many consumers and business alike have realized substantial cost saving and lowered their phone bills over 60%. Secondly, high quality sound. There is a noticeable difference in the call quality. So the audio isn't muffled or fuzzy. Third, advanced features. Leverage premium features to run your company, such as auto attendance, call recording, and call queues. They are often included with business phone service plans. You can call anyone worldwide as well as business phone numbers for remote work team. Use your phone service wherever you work. Okay, so on our list of best VoIP service providers, Vonage trusted by over 100,000 business. Vonage is a reliable name in VoIP with a long menu of features. Its call quality is excellent, its features are good, and the setup is extremely simple. I have picked it for its exceptional audio call quality, unlimited calling and texting. It has excellent uptime, it means its high definition voice quality you can enjoy as a user. There are Android and iOS app, and further you can integrate some really good third party softwares like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho and more. Let's talk about pricing for Vonage. So there are three options available, that is basic mobile, most popular premium plan, and lastly advanced plan. Mobile plan costs you $20 around, premium plan costs you around $30 and advanced plan costs you around $40. Now moving to next, for most people one of the first name that come to mind for VoIP software is Ring Central, and the reason for this popularity, it's fully loaded with all basic and advanced features like which meet all of your needs: calling, SMS and fax to voice, email transcription and so much more. You can set up your ringtone, create custom call forwarding and handling rules, and create calling extensions. You can also power every basic and advanced calling use case around your mobile and desktop. It has a plus point on the messaging part as well, that lets you chat one-on-one with colleagues and guests. Like all you need is an email address, and when you have it, you can share unlimited file, create tasks, send collaborative notes and even install interactive apps like Asana Hotspot. Let's talk about its pricing. It gives you two options to pay annually and monthly. So let's talk about annual prices. For core, you need to pay around $20. For advanced, you need to pay $25. And for ultra, you need to pay $35. Finally, we have the favorite of internet, Nextevia. Which founded back in 2006, Nextevia is relatively a new company, but when it comes to voice quality, call management tools, and customer support, Nextevia stands up well against all its VoIP competitors. There is a lot to praise about Nextevia, but the most important highlight is that they offer the best support. We have seen there is a 24/7 customer support, so every time you need help, there is a helpful support team always available to help. However, Nextevia, when performing ongoing tasks like onboarding new users, it walks you through each step. In the next admin portal, it has ton of cutting edge features including unlimited calling in the US and Canada, toll-free numbers, unlimited internet, fax integration of Outlook and Google Contacts. In screen sharing, and they all work incredibly well. Lastly, the user interface is so clean and minimalistic that you can't resist praising it. Let's talk about its pricing. So it depends the number of users you select. Let's select 22.99. It will cost you around $90 for essential. For professional, it will cost you around $23, and for enterprise, it will cost you around $33. That's all about VoIP for today. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. You can get more amazing content in future. Thank you for watching. As a special bonus to our dedicated viewers, we have an impressive VoIP that is DialPad. Best feature of DialPad is top-notch communication solution designed specifically for small businesses. So let's dive in and explore the key features that make DialPad VoIP a game changer. First on our list is DialPad's seamless integration. Whether you are using G Suite, Office 365, or popular CRM platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot, DialPad integrates very easily. It means you can streamline your workflow and access all your communication tools in one centralized hub. Next, let's talk about DialPad's AI-powered features. With voice intelligence, DialPad can transcribe your calls in real time, allowing you to focus on the conversation rather than taking notes. You can even search, analyze, and share call transcripts, making it a valuable tool for capturing important details. Dialpad VoIP also offers a powerful mobile app that keeps you connected on the go. You can make and receive calls, join meetings, and access your entire communication history from your smartphone. It's like having your office in the palm of your hand. Let's talk about pricing. Dialpad gives you option of monthly billing and annually billing. Let's talk about annual billing. In standard, you need to pay $15 per user per month. For Pro, you need to pay $25 per user per month, and for Enterprise Edition, you need to contact the sales support. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.